Thanks for joining me on My Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. So today I'll be doing these patties from leftover meat, and we didn't feel like eating it the way it was cooked the first day, so I will show you what I did. So my husband grilled beef and chicken the other day. We still have leftover the steak and the chicken, so I'm gonna blend it and add this cilantro, onion, and garlic sauce that I blended, and also add in some bell peppers, spinach, and if you know me, you know that I love my garlic and it helps fight towards everything. So I'll be blending this in my Ninja food processor and make it really get to the point where I could go ahead and form it into meatballs or patties. So this is what it looks like. In the previous video that I did meatballs, I added breadcrumbs and egg, but this time I just left it, and I put my parchment paper on my pizza dough pan or tray. And I love this because you could do so much on it, and I went ahead and put them on there, and I'll be cooking it at 350 for just about 20 minutes tops. And so my oven is preheating right now, and it's baking. When it's done, it's not completely hard like you can't just pick it up. I had to pick it up with a spatula, and I just scooped it inside this bread that my husband brought home, and I already put all the mayo and mustard on there. My son doesn't like tomato and things like that, so everything's already blended. So I did mine with a little bit of rice because it was my carb day, and it was half cup of rice and the patty and a mustard and my little bell pepper. My yellow pepper. So anyways, thanks for watching. It's just a quick thing, so you don't have to throw away food. You could just change it up. Bye bye.